What's going on, YouTube? It's Donnie B all day. I know it's dark. The video is going to end this way too because my Jerry Springer closing statements are at the end of this video, and I'm driving home. So I didn't think I was going to be recording tonight, but I had to because what you're about to see was super cool. Derrick Pontierre from Great White, among others, CC DeVille Band, and a bunch of other stuff. Scott LaFlamme, rock guitarist who was with Bang Tango, Randy Rhoads Experience, and a bunch of other stuff. Then they had a fill-in bassist. This guy is awesome. He's awesome. And Rob LaFlamme, who was singing tonight. And it's crazy because Rob lost his voice. He was eating baked ziti loaded with cheese, and he lost his voice. So he was still putting it out there, but every now and then he would have a break. But you're about to hear it. They're doing a band. They're starting up a new band. It's going to be called the Randy Rhoads Experience. Blizzard of Randy. What? Blizzard of Randy. And I designed their logo for them, so I know it's a cool logo. That's all me. But next year they're going to start touring. They wanted to do it this year, but obviously the way things went, live music was kind of put on hold in a lot of places. So look for next year. I'll be letting you guys know. Blizzard of Randy. It's going to be songs from the Randy Rhoads years of Ozzy Osbourne, all songs they wrote together. So it's going to be pretty cool. These guys were just in the studio, just practicing. You know, Rob wasn't the original singer. It was another guy, but that guy might not be able to make it. So if he can't, Rob LaFlamme, who is from Renegade Cartel, he's the lead singer there. He might just be doing the vocals, and he kind of looks like Ozzy, so it works. But it's going to be super badass, man. It's going to be really cool. These guys are pros. They haven't done this. This was their first practice ever doing this for this band. This was their first time getting together and making a practice. So, you know, they were just feeling things out and getting it going. But you get to see them shred, man. This is going to be a pretty fun video if you like Ozzy music, especially, which I do. And it's just fun. I might even throw you in a little piece. When I built my first guitar, because yeah, I do it all. I built a guitar and I brought it over to Scott to tune it after I built it, and to finish up my electrical. And he grabs a guitar and he says, "Let's play something." He says, "What do you want to hear?" And then he just looks at me and goes, "Crazy Train." I was like, "Crazy Train," and he just starts popping out. Crazy, man. So I might even throw in my homemade guitar that I did somewhere in the middle of this video, which would be pretty cool. So that's it, guys. Enjoy the video, and you'll hear me ramble at the end. All right. Out.
Right there. It's Iron Man.
This is how to get stuff down right here.
Right. Okay.
All right, so what you're looking at is the future band, Blizzard of Randy, where they're going to be doing Ozzy Osbourne songs with the Randy Rhoads years. Hold on, I gotta clean this lens. Hold on. All right, so this guy over here, Rob LaFlamme, right? He's the singer right now. He's doing a fill-in, but this guy lost his voice, and he's still just on here hitting it. Because you got to get it done. Sometimes the show must go on. This guy, everybody remembers him because he's always at my house. This is the beautiful bassist.
Dedicated to Randy tonight.
The great Scott LaFlamme, who was, if you all remember, with Randy Rhoads Experience.
What?
Oh, yeah. He was the man. He was the man. He still is the man.
All right, ready?
So this is what happens. This is studio life. Studio life when they're figuring out what they want to do just for practice.
Here we go.
This is how they warm up
Give me a 4 count.
and feel their beat. Oh, y'all know this one.
Yesterday has been and gone. Tomorrow is like rain and sun. Lord, it is rain. Every night is having fun. It's heavy out the lonely one.
solo, but watch this solo!
Look at these damn drumsticks. Look how beat up these things. This is what happens to a drummer's sticks.
Right on.
Man, that thing's get chewed up.
We got Paranoid, we got
Flying high again. Oh, we got all
Guys,
those
you're
too.
looking at
That's coming. Those are
we're
flying
looking
high
at
again.
the future right here, man.
We got No Bone Movies, Go Bad Romance.
Yeah.
We did believe it.
No, 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 no.
All right.
Let's do some Flying High again. Kick it off.
Blizzard of Randy. Blizzard of Randy. They're gonna play one more song. I missed a bunch. I came in late, but they're gonna finish big. They're gonna finish big. Look.
Put my
Look at.
I love the tuning song. That's my favorite song.
Yeah, me too.
In every show.
This is what needs to be in every show.
Go ahead.
A bunch of guys.
Before I leave.
And the only one not screwed up right now is Rob.
I do have to apologize for the baked lasagna and cheese. I should have known better, but it was my birthday dinner, so.
The show must go. Happy birthday to
Thank you, and today is actually my birthday.
Hey, happy birthday, Rob and Scott.
Birthday song for him real
Let's
quick.
do it. Ready? All right.
Birthday song,
3, 4. Today's your birthday.
Today is your birthday. It's my birthday too, yeah.
I was doing a metal version of it.
He was catching up. He was catching up. Happy birthday, Rob and Scott. Everybody, Rob and
Thank you.
Every day is Derrick's birthday because he's greedy.
Now my head, crazy train. Now you can videotape.
All right, I was videoing that. I videoed that whole thing.
He's going to see the light of day unless we all approve it, I'll tell you.
I didn't stop recording yet.
Oh, there you go.
I'm not roasting anything.
Water.
No,
All right.
the
All right, water
original-
break.
We got it.
How about some Crazy Train?
Crazy Train. All right, so they just finished. This is the pick that Scott LaFlamme, rock guitarist, used tonight for his warm-ups and practices. One of you guys is going to get this pick. I'll explain it. I'll explain it when I'm out of the studio. Woo! All right. It's a little dark in here. Get over it. So I'm on my way back home. Just left the studio. Everything was cool. Not sure if you guys were able to hear part of what I was saying there at the end. I know you can hear it now because I'm loud and I'm in the car, so it's just me. So, Scott LaFlamme, Bang Tango, Randy Rhoads Experience, this, that. I mean, this dude played in everything. He played with everyone. I mean, big time. He travels the world. That's all he does is jam. He's a badass. Look him up, Scott LaFlamme. This was the pick that he used tonight. This is one of his old Bang Tango picks. So, what I did is I took this from him when he was done. And what I want is a couple of comments down there. People who comment, what's going to happen is it's going to go into like a little draw. If you want the pick, if you want one of Scott LaFlamme's pick that you just watched them jam with, just say, you know, that you want the pick. Let me know that you want it. And it's going to be one of those, you know, names in a hat type thing. And I'll do it for the first maybe 24 hours after I post this, so everybody has a chance, a full day. That's cool. I'm not exactly sure how much you guys were able to gather from me yelling, trying to yell over them, but basically what you're watching is they're putting something together that's going to be touring in 2021. That's next year for those of you who are watching this year. 2021, they're going to be doing a show. The band is going to be called Blizzard of Randy. I know because I'm the one that designed their logo. And it's going to be pretty cool. It's basically going to be, you got to remember, Scott was a huge Randy Rhoads guy. He was one of the founders of the Randy Rhoads Experience. This guy, I mean, he's been out hanging out with the family every day. Love him. Scott learned and mastered his skills by studying Randy Rhoads when he was a little kid. And that was his guy. So Scott right now is one of the #1 Randy Rhoads guitarists, guitar impersonators in the world, guys. He's a badass. So they're doing a thing called what I just told you, obviously. And they're going to be putting it together. So tonight was kind of like almost like a little practice thing, and they're getting some of the players together. They had another bassist in line, but the guy's always busy, so this guy might turn into the bassist. And I have seen him play live with these guys, and he is good, man. He's really good. You watched it. Derrick Pontierre, obviously from Great White. He played with a bunch of other. He was with CC DeVille and a bunch of other guys. Just really cool, really cool. It's got everything. You gotta remember when Ozzy was with Randy, before Randy died, they did 2 albums together. So basically, Blizzard of Randy is going to be all songs that were written between Ozzy and Randy. So it's going to be very, very cool if you are an Ozzy fan, especially those early years with Randy Rhoads. Man, guys, that's killer. They were just trying to whip it together. They played one song that Derrick never even knew. It was a song that was only on a picture disc. So he starts playing, you know, Scott starts playing, they start singing it, and all of a sudden, I think I forgot to record this one too, but Derrick just starts pounding in the drums, and at the end, Scott says, man, he goes, dude, that's pretty much exactly how the original was. He never even heard the song, he just nailed it. The bassist did too. He hadn't heard of the song, just nailed it. These guys are pros. It's what they do. So, let me know you want the pick, and I will mail it to you. That's a guarantee. That was cool, man. I love going to the studio and jamming with the boys and just having a good time. Now I'm gonna go home and make some tortellini. Oh yeah, I can't wait. So that's it. I'll talk to you guys soon. I am gonna be all day. Until next video.